Not sure how to record a supplier discount or refund? Using an AP credit note helps you adjust your purchases correctly in AutoCount. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
So we continue with AP credit note. AP credit note entry, new, and then you select supplier A. So supplier A here got some issue incorrect item. Okay, so you type incorrect item and you key in the CN number. CN number is the supplier one, CN4456, and supplier invoice number. If you want, you can key in the supplier invoice number 445566 and dated 12th of January. Credit account 612 and description item. So you just select the 612 and then highlight. Amount is 150. Okay, that's all. Okay, and this 150 we're going to knock off on the invoice 445566. This one. Okay, you just take over here. After done, no problem. Then we update. Okay, save button.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.